Hello and welcome to a new KiCad tutorial. Generate the bill of materials via Eeschema for a printed circuit board and command error return code 11. Now to generate a bill of materials via Eeschema, you first have to open Eeschema. Double click here. Eeschema opens and you go to Tools and then click on Generate Bill of Materials. The bill of material window opens and you can use a BOM plugin. In this case we use BOM2 grouped ground space CSV, and you click on generate, and as you can see you get an error, command error return code 11, and the reason for this error is because there are spaces in the path LTC. You can see here's a space 1624 video, and LTC, here's another space 1624 video.xml. Windows does not like spaces, and to fix this error we must get rid of those spaces. Before we go any further, I would just like to point out to you that this video is based on this blog, Generate Bill of Materials, and in particular on this paragraph from here, generate a BOM of materials via Eeschema and command error return code 11. The particulars of this blog appears in the description below. Now, the trouble with KiCad is that it doesn't have a save as. If you click here on File, you see there's no save as. So we'll have to take another approach, and first of all close everything, and then we select the folder in which the project is, and then right click and select copy, and then open another folder, duplicate, which I already have done, and then paste our previous folder with our project therein. Then right click on it, and to get rid of the space, you just rename it basically like that. You delete the space. Okay, now open the folder, open the project file. Now, in order to get rid of the spaces in the other sub-files, you right click it, left click, then right click, and then you rename it. And when you rename it, you erase the space like so, and you click OK, and you do it for the next folder. Right click, rename, delete the space, click OK. Next one, right click, rename, delete the space, and there's the schematic. Right click, rename, delete the space like so, click OK. And I suppose we can do it for this one as well. Rename, delete the space, click OK. What we do now is we open Eeschema by clicking on this file in the left column. Double click on it, and Eeschema opens, and we try again, and we click on Tools, and we click Generate Bill of Materials, and we once again choose the same plugin, BOM2 Group Ground space CSV and we click generate, and voila, there it is. It is successful, and we click close. Okay, once we've closed everything, we open our spreadsheet editor. In my case, it is LibreOffice 5 Calc spreadsheet, and we click on File and we click Open, and we navigate to our duplicate file, and we choose this folder LTC video, and we click Open, and we click OK, and there it is. This is our new generated BOM file, which we generated via Eeschema. You can see it looks a bit different, and you can add additional columns for the data sheet and the price. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any questions, and I look forward in meeting you next time. Goodbye.